Well, it's exciting being part of the team working on the giant salmon. The primary reason for doing the CT scan, well, the reasons are twofold. The primary reason, research-wise, is to be able to see the internal structure of the skull, so we can see what the shape of the brain case would be like, how big the brain would have been. We can see where all the nerves would have gone with the bones still in position without having to pull them apart. Other kinds of studies might actually still have to do destructive sampling, where we would look at isotopes in the bones. Karen Cleason, my colleague from the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine, is actually an expert in analyzing CT scans of fossil fish.
CT scans are really great to get different contrast. When you have something like a CT scan on yourself, what you're looking at usually is for something that's more dense, something like maybe bone. And with our skeletons here, we have something called osteichthyes. It actually means bony fish. So we're looking for bone, and we're looking for the different parts of bone, the different types, and how they overlap and how they connect with one another. In a fossil, they're all actually sort of fused together as a rock. So they're not going to come apart. We can't cook them and expect that the bones will fall apart like if we were making something that was fresh. So we can do the CT scans and digitally dissect it and actually break them apart without doing any physical harm at all to the fossil, which is great. Once we've done that, then we can actually go back and compare the individual bones to the modern record and then get a sense of where these things were related to. And so on the tree of life, we have a good idea that these in fact were fossil salmon. So now the next step is to decide whether or not it's the same thing as one that's alive today or really closely related to another one. So what we're hoping to do with CT scans is really get enough comparative information to do character coding and then do the statistical modeling to really take a good hypothesis and figure out where this thing probably falls.